Hello, today we want to talk about noise. I got a request from a user to make a film how loud is our machine. Quite simple, our setup is also of the R&D environment is also in the living house in a basement. So we know about noise and we are quite proud that our machines are quite not so loud. So I will simply show you the setup. The setup will be a normal noise meter. The noise meter I put 1 meter away from the machine, and then I have the GoPro film it. Right now, me talking shows 64 decibel, which was a little bit strange for me, but this is what it is. So here's the setup on the lathe. Here's the setup of the computer. Here is our test rig. Here's the machine. Here is the motor, and that's the way it is to set up. Now for reference, I will now switch on the vacuum, not vacuum, the you hear? Now we have 87 decibels. So this is the reference for the shop air, and now we switch on the machine. The normal machine, I'm now in front of the machine, I know. The normal machine has this sound. So the machine itself has 63, 64 decibel. Full throttle. Full throttle 66 without cutting. So everything on top of that is the noise of the cut itself, I guess. Now me talking adds up to 73, 71 decibel. So I switch it off. The next parts will be about cutting parts for the fourth axis in alu. So it will be quite deep cuts and fast cuts. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.